In this video, we are going to add a label and a button to our Tkinter application. First, I'm going to import Tkinter as TK, and then will be our GUI by calling tk.tk. We get the object of TK, and then I will get the label by calling TK's label and pass in our GUI and the text we want to set on our label. First label, and now I will get the button by tk dot button and passing our GUI, and then the text that we want on our button, just the button, and now I will call labels method pack, and then button method pack, and no need to call GUI main loop to start our main loop. And let's see, run our script. That was our other file, and this one is GUI dot main loop, not a comma. And after I run our script, we see the label over here and the button here. So this is a simple example of how to use a label and the button with Tkinter in Python. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Awesome Code. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.